Hello, little learners. Are you ready to play the alphabet puzzle game? We'll guess letters, match pictures, and have fun. Let's go from A to Z together. Which one starts with the letter A? Apple, monkey, ball? Yes. Apple starts with A. A, apple. Crunch. Which one starts with the letter B? Apple, ball, zebra. Yes. Ball starts with B. B, ball. Let's bounce it. Which one starts with C? Cat, giraffe, octopus. Yes. Cat starts with C, cat. Meow. Which one starts with the letter D? Dog, banana, zebra. Yes. Dog starts with D. D, dog. Woof, woof. Which one starts with E? Elephant, fish, leaf. Yes. Elephant starts with E, elephant. Which one starts with the letter F? Fish, lion, apple. Yes. Fish starts with F, fish. Which one starts with G? Giraffe, dog, queen. Yes. Giraffe starts with G. G, giraffe. Which one starts with H? Hat, ball, tree. Yes. Hat starts with H, hat. Which one starts with I? Igloo, lion, jam. Yes. Igloo starts with I. I, igloo. Which one starts with J? Jam, cat, apple. Yes. Jam starts with J, jam. Which one starts with K? Kangaroo, rabbit, octopus. Yes. Kangaroo starts with K, kangaroo. Which one starts with L? Lion, banana, cat. Yes. Lion. Roar. Which one starts with M? Monkey, nest, fish. Correct. M for monkey. Which one starts with N? Nest, zebra, tree. Yes. Nest. N, hen, nest. Which one starts with O? Octopus, cat, queen. Right. O for octopus. Which one starts with P? Penguin, apple, dog. Yes. Penguin. Which one starts with Q? Queen, orange, duck. Yes. Queen starts with Q, queen. Which one starts with R? Rabbit, ball, banana. Yes. Rabbit. R, rabbit. Which one starts with S? Snake, zebra, elephant. Yes. Snake starts with S, snake. Hiss. Which one starts with T? Tiger, lion, cat. Yes. Tiger. T, tiger. Which one starts with U? Umbrella, violin, orange. Great job. U for umbrella. Which one starts with V? Violin, apple, drum? Yes. Violin. Which one starts with W? Whale, monkey, nest? Yes. Whale starts with W, 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 whale. Which one starts with X? X-ray, apple, zebra? Correct. X for X-ray. Which one starts with Y? Yo-yo, violin, tiger? Yes. Yo-yo starts with Y, 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 yo-yo. Which one starts with Z? Zebra, cat, apple? Yes. Zebra. Z, zebra. Wow! You did it from A to Z. You're an alphabet puzzle champ. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye.